In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. So to do this, you first need to head over to the Snapchat application. Click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side. In the top right-hand side, click on the settings icon, scroll all the way right down to the bottom, and you'll have this option for delete account. So click on this, and this will take you over to the web version of Snapchat. And you'll now need to re-enter your login information. Once you've entered your login information, it will take you to this deletion page here. So once again, you need to enter your password in this section down here. And now what's going to happen is once we press this continue button, our account is going to be deactivated. And that means nobody is going to be able to find or contact you on Snapchat. If you log back into your account after deleting it in the first 30 days, then it will reactivate your account. However, once 30 days have passed without you logging into the account, it will be permanently deleted and there'll be no way to recover it. So just go ahead and press continue. And as you can see, we've now deactivated our account, and in 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.